Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your accounts with PayPal detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your accounts with PayPal, start by creating a strong password. Choose a password that is at least 12 characters long. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed information like names or birthdays. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. You can opt for text messages or an authenticator app for receiving these codes. Regularly update your password. Aim to change it every few months to maintain account security. Be cautious about phishing emails or suspicious links. Always verify the sender's email address before clicking on any links. Log into your PayPal account directly through the official website, not through email links. Monitor your account activity frequently. Check for any unauthorized transactions or unusual activity. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately. Consider setting up account alerts. These notifications can inform you of transactions and changes to your account. Use PayPal's security features, such as their purchase protection policy. This can safeguard you from unauthorized charges or fraudulent activities. Regularly review your account settings and security preferences. Stay informed about any updates or changes related to PayPal security. Lastly, be mindful of public Wi-Fi networks. Avoid accessing your PayPal account when connected to unsecured networks. Using a VPN can enhance your security when accessing sensitive accounts online. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the protection of your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.